Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson and welcome to part 2 of this video. Now please make sure to check out part 1 if you haven't already, because part 1 will show you how to make and create your chart, and of course part 2 is where we put everything together and all that other good stuff. Alright, now you are looking at a 16-inch by 20-inch picture frame. Alright, I picked this up from Walmart. It was under $9. Okay, now you can leave this picture frame as it is, okay, but of course with me, I am going to do my special touch and turn it up a notch, and all I'm going to do is throw some glitter on the frame. That's it. Okay, now I wanted my picture frame to be nice and big and roomy so the parents could have room to write. But you can always make your picture frame smaller, but you gotta do what's best for you. But we're gonna rock with the 16-inch by 20-inch picture frame. With that being said, let's go ahead and do our glitter. Okay, you guys, our order came in and we have our baby chart. Can I please get a drum roll? Here we go. Here's our chart, you guys. Look how pretty. Super, super cute. Look how shiny. You can't even really tell in this video, but in person, you guys, it looks so good. Looks so good. I love the colors. All of it. It is really cute. But this is just the beginning, because now we are going to put everything together. Can y'all see that? Let me hold it up so y'all can see just how pretty. And we ain't even put it in the frame yet. Again, this is 16 by 20. Super cute. All right, now let's go ahead and start putting everything together. I'm going to get our frame. Move this to the side. Talk about the frame a little bit. Here's our frame, all ready to go, all glittered out. I put 3 coats of the sealer on here, so I can make sure this glitter ain't coming off. It ain't going nowhere. It's not gonna wear off. It's on there. It is on there. I don't want nothing to get on the walls or nothing. Look at my hand. I'm rubbing it. No glitter. Y'all see that? That's what I want. No glitter. All right. So, we're good with this. Let's start putting it together. Now, let me get my pieces. So we're going to flip our frame over. Just like so. We are going to put the plexiglass up in there. Just like that. Now we're going to put our beautiful, beautiful chart up in there. And our board. Wait, what's the front? Make sure I put this on right there. So we're gonna turn it this way. Okay. Put down these little tabs. We're gonna flip it over. Boom. Oh, look it, you guys. You can barely see it. Let me hold it up. So cute. And we still not finished, because I still gotta put my little touches to it. So with that being said, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna go ahead and decorate our frame. Okay, so I hooked up my little glue gun. It's getting hot. Let me push this up so y'all can see. And all I'm going to do is glue little flowers right here. Probably about 3. Just like that. Probably, let's see. I'm trying to see if I can find a flat one. There we go. Yep, that'll work. Just like that. Bring these down on the corner. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna fix them on there like that with my glue gun. Glue gun on over here. Move this out the way. Glue stick. Put some glue on there and just stick it. We go. Just gonna let that do what it do. Okay. Now, I picked up this as well from Walmart. This little dry eraser board that I grabbed. And all I'm going to use off of here is the little dry eraser and the clip. Okay? So I'm going to move that to the side. And I'm just going to simply attach the clip to the bottom of the frame. Down here. Just like that. I want to add some glue. Probably going to add some glue. I'm scared it's going to come off. But we're going to see how we do. Okay. Still not done. Now I'm going to fix up the little marker part. Alright. So, I picked this up. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Closer so y'all can see. Got this from Walmart as well. We're going to add that to it. I could add it over there. Let's see. I can't even get it off. There we go. So I was thinking about adding it on here onto the cap. I might be doing too much, so I'm not. I'm going to add this over here. Probably just in there. Just like that. Yep. I'm gonna add it in there. So I'm gonna take my hot glue. Just put it on there like that. Like that, like that. Okay, almost finished. I got this. I've been had this. I think I got it off of Amazon a long time ago, so I still have some of this. And we're gonna use some of this to attach to the marker. I'm gonna attach it to, because this is the magnet part for this. Well, we're not gonna use this, so I'm just gonna glue this on here. That way, the marker, you can't lose the marker, is attached to the board. So, I'm gonna take my glue gun.
glue. Just like that. Stick that right on there like that. Y'all see what I'm doing? Ooh, making a mess. So now it's attached. Alright. There you have it. Then I'm going to see how long I want it. Probably want it along so you can write from up there. So, I get some room. Cut this. And glue it to the back of this. Should glue it to this. Let's glue it in there. Don't hurt nothing. Yeah, glue it right on in there. Okay. And there you have it. That's our board. It is all ready.